If you ever played with a spirograph as a kid, you know the exact feeling. Satisfying, rhythmic meshing of plastic teeth instantly creates a flawless, looping geometric web. Step away from the kitchen table and look at the absolute limits of theoretical physics. To mathematically explain our universe, string theory relies on the existence of 10 dimensions. 4 of those make up the space-time we experience, leaving an extra 6 dimensions folded up and hidden away. The human brain evolved to throw rocks and track predators in a 3D world. We simply cannot naturally picture a space built on 6 independent geometric coordinates. Astrophysicists still need a way to map these structures. That brings us to a theoretical black hole, acting as a gateway from our dimension to the 6th. It is known as the Hexapuss Singularity. To visualize the architecture of a portal bridging dimensions, we have to borrow the mathematical engine that drives that 1960s plastic drawing toy. Long before it was a toy, this type of looping pattern was known as guilloche. You can find these interlacing curved ribbons carved into classical Roman floors and ancient stone ruins. Because these repeating curves can be layered into virtually infinite variations, the pattern became a primary defense against forgery. If you look closely at modern banknotes, you will find these densely interwoven lines protecting the currency, because reproducing them precisely by hand is impossible. The engine generating these shapes is a curve called a hypotrochoid. Roll a smaller inner circle along a fixed outer circle's inside edge, tracking a single point. By changing the size ratio or moving the tracking point, you completely alter the intersecting loops. This document section highlights the specific trajectory equations for a hypotrochoid using parameters r, k, and l. These exact parametric equations serve as the mechanical blueprints for the spirograph. Hypotrochoids provide the perfect mathematical language for mapping infinite, unbroken, overlapping paths inside a strictly confined boundary. What happens when we take that exact same geometry and scale it up? Instead of mapping points on a flat piece of paper with x and y coordinates, we plot them in 6-dimensional Euclidean space. This page shows the formula for the volume of a 5-sphere. In geometry, a 5-sphere is the complex dimensional surface where every point is strictly equidistant from a central origin within 6-dimensional space. To map a theoretical black hole acting as a bridge to the 6th dimension, physicists apply this high-level geometry to plot its gravitational field. In a flat model, a singularity is a dense dot. Through dimensional folding, gravitational pathways stretch, loop, and intersect, creating a dense ribbon of spacetime around a void. Rotated from an outside perspective, these intersecting ribbons visually align to form a narrow, curved slit. This gives the anomaly its name, the Hexapuss Singularity. Hexa identifies the 6th dimension, and puss refers to how the overlapping guilloche pattern creates the distinct appearance of a cat's eye.